Nah, boy. You the pill no man, I wait on your name. Show up the other day, man.
You need it, you come like it. You need it. Try.
Steph, babe, where you there? You not come home? Why you not come home?
Shoot the girl for my youth. Where you shoot the girl for my youth?
You know, say no for shoot nobody, and that's what bargain for my youth.
Nothing no.
Yo, your bargain saying ain't a shoot nobody, my.
New York, you'll be like a great hit, you know. You're really, really talented.
Yo, I'm struck, cause yo, me nah go road and make the boy come go and let them want come ambush me.
20 grand, Kush? Where forget that from?
Brother.
You don't start your own and click and know say yo, you're done to have your own thing. I want to tell you, man. Hey.
Let's say a 150 thing them I go for me, I go need that, yo.
I'm frustrated. I don't know what happened to Jigga. Girl, my night at the same damn thing. I'm so damn worthless, man.
This dating thing, I don't want no Facebook, I don't want no WhatsApp, I don't want no Twitter, I don't want none of them something. They're nothing to do with social media. Not more fear, man. I don't with your man. I have not more fear.
I really think you should go. I got a whole heap of things on my mind, a lot of things, you know what I'm saying? So.
Fight for your right. Always listen now. Fight for your right. Always. Buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fight. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite.
Pilot!
Little boy, please, me I beg you, tell me me I talk to.
What you mean? What make me can't talk to you?
Wi-Fi. Please, for God's sake, let me say me I talk to.
What you mean, mama, you clean?
Little boy, don't even try to touch me. Everywhere you see big man, you want to run up on big man. You have money?
What you mean? Me have enough money for anything for a girl like you.
Alright, big man. Raise some money and rise up something, let me see.
Ease no more, you go on someone.
That's what I thought. Get your money up.
Have mercy on the poor soul. Have mercy on the poor soul. Have mercy on the poor soul. Yeah, I could ride my life. If I could ride my life. If I could ride my life, this story will never end. Born and me grow up without father. Single parent mother, no father. Where that comes easy, but for live a life it comes harder. So much harder. No man no live by no laws, it's just the harder. Where you no sin a barrier.
You look so tired. Like I just want to 10 furlong.
Look, if you're trying to start up a conversation, as you can see, I'm married, okay?
Happily?
Yes, happily.
You don't sound too confident about that. Yeah, okay. Delay upon the answer. You can sense a delay and an answer there still. Anyways, you're from around here?
Yes, I'm from around here.
Alright. The least I can do is exchange names.
Alright.
So, what's your name?
Stephanie.
Stephanie. Nice name, Stephanie. My name is Dennis. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah. But anyways, continue my journey here.
Alright.
See you around, Stephanie.
Yo, mama. How are you there, pan? Cause yo, me I call you and not even answer the phone, you know. Yo, pick up your phone, man. Yo, I not even know where you're there, because I know you see me text you, and you not even text me back and make me know where I'm going. Yo, when I get that message, yo, page me back.
Lord Jesus, God, Mel want me, alright?
Lord G, auntie, why you threatening me so?
Boy, I'm sorry me never get to come look for you earlier, but I don't know so I have to come look for you.
Boy, if put there kill me, auntie. That hurt me bad, man.
I'm sorry for no what happened. I'm sorry for no what happened. No? So when you don't feel like you can't go back to work anytime soon?
I don't think so. Me have to go talk to your boss. Because I can't even walk on the foot. I can't do nothing around the house, auntie.
So you don't talk to Rambo? You don't talk to Rambo no time?
He don't call me yet or nothing, but me still a wait for your call. You understand? He don't call me or nothing yet.
Why, Jano?
Me there.
Can't believe say your foot in a cast and him something there, boy.
Me say, auntie, when the boy shoot me, you know, it coming like say God sent 10 angels from heaven, you know.
Understand how you feel, man. But just know I'm sorry for you what going, you know. Can't believe this.
So you go. I'm just there, go and hold it till I can get up back on my foot again, you understand?
For real, man. So Mel, you have no idea at all who shoot you?
You know, say boy them did mask up, don't you? I don't see their face.
Understand, man. I know them way there, you know.
See, right now I not even feel like I want to work back at the place there, no? I don't want to go back there, auntie.
I know you feel, man. I know you feel. No, man. I know you feel.
Me out, man.
What is? So Stephanie, go for me?
Why should I?
You mean why should you? You can't share me some food?
When you start though, you're jobbing at the bedroom, you get everything you want.
You see, I did disrespectful thing and I can't take it out of my house, you know.
Me tell us you need to go to the doctor, cause you have erectile dysfunction, man.
Go to the doctor for what? Erectile dysfunction? That sound like some white man disease. And that sound like an old man anyway. And I have no erectile dysfunction.
Then say what serve long will serve an next master.
What that's supposed to mean, Steph?
You solve the puzzle.
You try to tell me something? You know what? One day you have to respect me in my house, yeah? Remember me tell her that. Share my own food.
You're lucky. Have me in like a figure.
What is it for a man to gain the world and lose his soul?
We already pray for a day like this, every day we pray. Pray to God to guide me along the way and don't make me get the youth stray. We already pray for a hour like this, for a minute like this, every day we pray. We still have we life, we overcome with enemy. Them want to we in a cemetery.
Yo, brother. Why you name macaroni?
Yo,
man, I left Jamaica. Quick, dog. Quick. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
So I can't do fair now.
Man, leave Jamaica, you see me?
Boss look like in the pan a rush.
Yo, I mean, I tell you, yo, so yo, how much visa them I go for?
So that man ain't tell her what going.
You know, say, you never really talk to me still. You see me, I say, but you can't tell me what I go on still, man. I just want to hear what I go on, you see me? Yeah.
You know, everything have a price, you know what I mean? A simple 500,000, you know what I mean? Not much still, but
500,000? Damn, that's kind of steep though, man. That's like very expensive, you know what I'm saying?
You know, someone tell us somebody say I'm coming I think right now, you know, and the thing kind of rough, you know, for everybody a ball right now, you know what I mean? So I understand what you mean,
man,
you know what I mean?
I understand that, you know what I'm saying? But right now I ain't got the money on me. I ain't got the money, but I can put the money together, you know what I'm saying, and link you back, you know what I'm saying? I can really do something.
You don't have to worry yourself because a legitimate stamp I go on your thing. It's a clean sweep.
Okay.
The airport, the thing gone through. No question asked. The thing good.
Damn, that's what I'm looking out for, man. Okay, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to get the money together and link you up, man. You know what I'm saying? So bless up yourself, man. I'm going to do what I got to do and hook you up. You know what I'm saying?
You are going. You see, if you don't have all that money.
Yeah.
But say any money or money, you know. So we can give you a payment plan same way. And for your rich amount of money.
That's good, man.
You're good.
That's good, man. That's good. Thank you, man. Big up yourself, bro. Holla back, man.
That sound like a Yankee boy. Like a some holy poetry.
Hey, Steffi girl. What's up? Girl, the Facebook thing actually works. Yes. Well, we've been communicating for a while. Yes, ma'am. Well, I'm gonna finally meet him. Yes. Girl, even though I said I was ready for the dating thing. Come on. Yeah, alright. Get off the phone. I'll tell you about all the juicy details later. Alright, bye honey.
Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. See, from the first time I saw you, girl, I really had a crush on you. It's obvious that I want you, 'cause I couldn't take my eyes off you. It's something about the way you walk, and something about the way you talk. I'm feeling your class and your style, and your sexiness is driving me so wild. Oh baby, 'cause I don't need money, oh no, and I don't need no diamonds or pearl. I need someone to hold me tight at night, someone who we can both grow old. I need a love I can feel. That's why I need you in my arms, girl. I know it be real. If I can feel you with my charms, yeah, I never will leave. And girl, I never, never make you cry, 'cause baby, I've got it, and I wanna give it all to you. Oh baby, oh girl, listen now. For so long I've been waiting, girl, to find someone like you. Day and night I've been praying and hoping my prayers would come through. Now there you go again, my love. You finally brighten up my day. And heaven must have sent you, girl, 'cause I can't believe you finally came my way. Oh baby, see, I don't need money, no, and I don't need no diamonds or pearl. I need someone to hold me tight at night, someone who we can both grow old. I need a love I can feel. That's why I need you in my arms, girl. I know it be real. If I can feel it with my charms, yeah, I never will leave. And girl, I never, never make you cry, 'cause baby, I've got it, and I wanna give it all to